Hey, good evening. Julio Lopez here again. Now this is gonna be a presentation about how we're gonna explore how we can implement the current project for the shipping data management system and scale it to be ready for enterprise operations. All right, the original project focused on having stored the customer data and the shipper data into MySQL local database. But the goal here is gonna to scale the system not only to use it nationwide but also for global shipping operations. We user roles just like dispatchers, warehouse staff, drivers, and also customer. And this gonna require some scalability with multi-user access and real-time tracking integration. Okay, every project faces a risk, right? In this case, system availability is critical. So we're gonna host the platform on AWS for with high availability zones, and for data loss, we're gonna enforce daily backups. Now, if a developer leave, having well documented code in task management system like Jira will reduce disruption. And also to avoid the scope creep, I'm gonna enforce sprint planning and backlog grooming. Now, to develop a project at this scale, we're gonna need a small but efficient team. In this case, developers they're gonna be working on the UI and the server logic. And in the meantime, the DevOps they're gonna ensure smooth deployment and scaling. Also, we're gonna use tools like GitHub, Jira, and AWS. Communication is gonna happen with Slack on Teams. I haven't decided yet, but to be honest, I think we're gonna end up using Teams. I love Teams and I use it in the past on projects like this. Okay, for quality insurance, which is very essential, we're gonna use automated manual testing. One of my favorite testing, which is JUnit, is gonna be used to cover backend logic. Also, Postman tests, endpoints, and full system tests would run in a staging environment. And continuous integration tools will make sure new updates don't break anything. Also, the pull request using GitHub is gonna make sure that every single piece of the code is gonna be monitored and it's gonna be monitored on a regular basis though. Now, to scale this project successfully, everything must be defined ahead of time, right? So from who does what to how well ensuring quality. Communication is the backbone of this plan, and documentation will keep everybody and everyone aligned. This method is gonna set us up for a sustainable and long-term growth of the platform. Okay, that's a wrap. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like the video, and also don't forget to visit my website, lopezbio.com. Have a good night.